Amerimax Stealth Flow. Easy, effective drainage for any weather. Heavy rain can be a real problem, especially in places like the Hawaiian island of Kauai, where it rained for 247 days straight between 1993 and 1994. While that's a rare event, global warming could cause more frequent and intense storms in the future. That's why improving drainage systems is so important to prevent flooding and water damage. Amerimax Stealth Flow offers a smart and simple solution. Their Stealth Flow series is easy to install and works with standard 50mm, 76mm, and 100mm drains. Introducing the ARB Hard Lid, a tough and stylish truck bed cover designed by ARB, a leader in 4x4 accessories. Made from 3mm thick aluminum, this cover can support up to 150 kilograms of weight. Whether you need to carry spare parts, water cans, or other heavy items, it's built to handle it all. But that's not all. The ARB Hard Lid doubles as a perfect base for a camping tent, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. It's easy to use, with a smart hinge system that lets you slide the lid up and back. 2 people can quickly remove it, and it works great even with roll bars, giving you plenty of space. With its sleek design and durable construction, the AR Hard Lid is made to last and can be your go-to tool for all your camping and off-road needs. Priced from $2,750, it's a solid investment for anyone who loves outdoor trips and needs a reliable truck bed cover. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or setting up camp, the ARB Hard Lid has got you covered. Ardex Strong Light, a lightweight, fast solution for slab installations. When working with slabs that aren't built for heavy loads, installation can be tough, but Ardex Strong Light makes it easy. This product has a thin installation height of just 18mm and weighs only 27 kilograms per square meter, making it perfect for wood slabs or uneven surfaces filled with wires and cables. What makes Strong Light so simple to use is that it consists of just 3 components: a filler, leveler, and reinforcing fabric. After installing, you can put down tiles within just 36 hours and parquet in about 4.5 days. Plus, it works great with heated floor systems, making it ideal for modern homes and buildings. With Ardex Strong Light, you get a lightweight, quick, and efficient solution for leveling surfaces. It saves you time and effort while giving you a strong base for your floors. Imagine having a hidden garage right beneath the road where you can park a whole fleet of vehicles. No one would ever know it's there. This clever idea is perfect for those looking to save space while keeping their parking spot a secret. The garage is accessed through an automatic ramp that rises up when needed, allowing you to drive your car in or out without anyone noticing. It's a smart way to store multiple cars without cluttering your driveway or taking up visible space. Although the technical details are a bit vague, the concept is pretty exciting, keeping your vehicles safe and out of sight in a hidden space that's easily accessible when required. If you're someone who wants a unique solution for parking, this underground garage could be a game changer. It's a cool way to keep your vehicles secure while keeping your outdoor area tidy and clean. Perfect for anyone looking for something innovative and practical. Beton block, the simple way to make concrete blocks. Want an easy and efficient way to make concrete blocks? Beton block molds make the process fast, smooth, and hassle-free. Just follow these simple steps. 1. Place the mold on a flat surface, like a steel plate, for stability. 2. Apply special oil inside the mold. This prevents the concrete from sticking and ensures clean, smooth edges. 3. Pour the concrete slowly, making sure it fills every corner for a strong, even block. 4. Compact the material, using a tool to remove air bubbles and create a solid structure. 5. Level the surface with a trowel to get a smooth finish. 6. Let the concrete cure. This step is crucial, as curing time depends on temperature and concrete type. 7. Remove the block using a special key, and it's ready for use. Beton block molds help you create high-quality concrete blocks for walls, barriers, and foundations without complicated machinery. The Big Buddy Heater from Mr. Heater is a compact and reliable solution for staying warm during cold weather. It runs on propane and can heat spaces up to 42 square meters, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, including activities like ice fishing. This portable heater is especially great for those who need warmth without the fuss of a chimney or complicated setup. One of its key features is safety. The heater automatically shuts off if it's accidentally tipped over or if oxygen levels become too low, so you can use it with peace of mind. Plus, it's super efficient. The 3.8-liter propane canister lasts for up to 11 hours on the lowest heat setting, giving you long-lasting warmth when you need it most. Whether you're enjoying time indoors or braving the cold outdoors, the Big Buddy Heater has you covered. Craftsmac Labs Masonry Robot, the future of construction. Imagine a robot that lays bricks, moves in any direction, and even paints walls, all with precision and efficiency. That's exactly what the Craftsmac Labs Masonry Robot is designed to do. Currently in its final testing stage, this smart machine is built from the ground up to make construction easier, faster, and more efficient. Unlike traditional methods that require heavy labor, this compact and highly mobile robot can handle different loads and perform complex tasks with minimal energy use. Whether it's laying bricks or painting walls, it does the job with amazing accuracy. Its ability to work with minimal human input could change the way we build homes and structures. Doka Edge Protection System XP, simple, strong, and safe. When it comes to construction, safety is the top priority. Doka Edge Protection System XP is designed to prevent falls from high-risk areas like roofs, balconies, and stairs, keeping workers safe and secure. Running out of space for your stuff? Dahl's Beam It Up Smart Storage System might be the perfect solution. This innovative storage box acts like a mini closet that hangs from your ceiling, giving you a place to store everything from clothes and shoes to books and sports equipment like rollerblades. The best part? It's adjustable to fit any ceiling height and can hold up to 20 kilograms, so you can store all sorts of things. It's a great way to keep your home tidy and make the most of space that might otherwise go unused. Whether you're trying to clear out your closet or just need extra storage, the Beam It Up system lets you keep your items organized and easily accessible. Of course, this handy system comes at a cost, with prices starting at $257. But if you need a clever way to free up space and organize your home, it could be well worth the investment. With Beam It Up, you can transform your ceiling into a practical storage area. Tired of seeing garbage cans ruining your home's appearance? The Jukin Hideout system is here to help. This clever waste storage solution lets you hide your trash cans out of sight with just the press of a button on a remote control. The system smoothly lowers your cans into an underground storage space, keeping everything neat and tidy. Powered by a 1500-watt electric motor, the Hideout platform has a spacious internal area of 169 by 132 by 74 centimeters, perfect for your garbage cans. But it's not just for trash. You can also use the Hideout for other storage needs, like a safe space for bikes or garden tools. Not only does this system keep your home looking clean and organized, but it also adds a modern, functional touch to your outdoor space. Whether you need a better way to store your garbage, bikes, or tools, the Jukin Hideout is the smart, convenient solution. Say goodbye to cluttered yards and hello to a sleek, organized home with this innovative system. Holcim Cement Plant Digital Twin, the future of smart manufacturing. Holcim's Swiss cement plant is testing an exciting new technology, the digital twin. This is a 3D replica of the entire factory, created using Industry 4.0 technologies. It allows operators to watch the factory's processes in real time, just like in a video game. With the help of smart algorithms, the digital twin can predict when maintenance is needed and when equipment might experience downtime. This helps keep the factory running smoothly and avoid unexpected problems. Holcim sees this as a game-changing innovation for the cement industry. By using all the data collected, it allows for better decision-making, which ultimately leads to saving time and money. The digital twin gives a clear, virtual view of the factory's operations, making it easier to spot improvements and avoid costly mistakes. Geostone by Holcim Australia is a stylish and durable decorative concrete that blends natural Australian stone with strong concrete. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor spaces, adding beauty and functionality to homes and commercial areas. The exposed aggregate finish reveals natural stones on the surface, creating a textured, slip-resistant surface ideal for driveways, pathways, and patios. It's low maintenance and built to last. Polished concrete is smooth and glossy, giving a modern, high-end look. It's easy to clean, hypoallergenic, and great for indoor flooring due to its thermal efficiency. Honed concrete has a matte finish, offering a sleek yet practical surface. It's comfortable underfoot and works well in alfresco areas and around pools. Colored concrete allows for fully customized designs with vibrant, fade-resistant pigments mixed into the concrete. This ensures long-lasting color and a unique style for any space. Lamitasu, the quick and eco-friendly foundation solution. Lamitasu foundation molds are a game changer for quick, affordable construction. These 5-meter-long molds weigh just 20 kilograms but are reinforced with steel, making them both light and strong. With these molds, you can complete your foundation in just one day, saving time and effort. They're perfect for any project, whether it's residential, commercial, or industrial. What makes these molds even better is their ability to work on uneven terrain. Thanks to their simple design, installation is quick, ensuring safety and speed on the job site. No matter the land, Lamitasu molds get your foundation ready in no time. The best part? Lamitasu is now even more eco-friendly. The manufacturer switched to using low-carbon products, helping reduce the environmental impact. So, you get a durable, long-lasting foundation while also being kind to the planet. Leca Clinker, strong, lightweight, and perfect for construction. Leca Clinker is a fantastic material made by mixing expanded clay granules with cement slurry. It's the perfect solution for creating light yet durable bases in a variety of projects, from landscaping to large-scale construction. With a density of just 700 kilograms per cubic meter, it's great for soft soils like peat bogs and clay, helping to prevent settling and improve stability. Thanks to LBF technology, Leca Clinker also creates stable, well-draining layers, making it an excellent choice for projects like roads, railways, and reinforcing concrete structures such as bridges and tunnels. The best part? Leca Clinker is mixed directly on site, which means fast spreading and minimal waste. It's a time-saving, efficient solution for your construction needs. Just make sure to store the cement slurry properly. Tensar Interax is a cutting-edge grid designed to make roads and railroads stronger and more durable. Created by 12 teams from around the world, this grid combines hexagonal, trapezoidal, and triangular shapes to provide maximum stability. The unique design helps keep backfill materials in place, making the area stronger and less prone to damage. Plus, it reduces construction costs by up to 70%, making it a cost-effective solution for large projects. Made from a tough polymer material, Tensar Interax is built to handle the pressure of high-traffic areas, making it perfect for busy roads and railways. Whether you're working on a new construction project or upgrading an existing road, this grid ensures long-lasting results. It's an innovative way to improve infrastructure while saving money and time on the job. With Tensar Interax, you get a stronger foundation, reduced costs, and a reliable solution for the toughest paving challenges. Timber HP Timberfill, the eco-friendly, safe, and high-performance insulation. Timber HP offers Timberfill, a blown-in insulation made from wood fibers that's both safe and eco-friendly. One of its standout features is its ability to resist open flames for up to 2 hours, making it an excellent choice for fire protection. This is thanks to a special chemical called borate, which also helps keep it safe from insects and mold. But Timberfill isn't just safe, it's also great for the planet. It's made from wood waste, and it actually has a negative carbon footprint, meaning it absorbs and stores CO2 throughout its life. By using Timberfill, you're helping to reduce environmental impact while improving your home's energy efficiency. In addition to being sustainable and fire-resistant, Timberfill offers the best acoustic performance on the market. It's perfect for soundproofing your home, whether you're building new spaces or upgrading existing ones. Tungsten Royce is all about thinking outside the box, and their bifold garage doors show just that. Unlike traditional garage doors that take up a lot of space and disrupt your home's look, these doors are designed to fit in tight spaces and still look amazing. They're not just functional, they're a stylish addition to any home. Both sides of the door are visually appealing, meaning your garage could double as a cool recreation area. What's even better? You can fully customize these doors. From glass inserts to color choices and materials, Tungsten Royce lets you design a door that fits your style perfectly. Tough Block, the easy, strong, and eco-friendly foundation solution. Building a deck, walkway, or even a doghouse? Tough Block makes it simple. These lightweight, heavy-duty blocks replace traditional concrete foundations, saving you time, effort, and mess. No digging, no pouring. Just place them and start building. Each Tough Block weighs only 0.7 kilograms, but can hold up to 770 kilograms, making it both lightweight and super strong. Designed for beams 9 to 10 centimeters wide, it raises structures 5 centimeters off the ground, keeping them stable and protected from moisture. Made from recycled plastic, Tough Block is an eco-friendly choice for your projects. Whether you're building a backyard deck, a shed, or a floating walkway, these blocks make construction faster, easier, and more affordable. Forget the hassle of traditional foundations. Tough Block lets you build smarter, not harder.